Hi everybody, this is Bob Iacchino from Path Trading Partners. Mike Arnold is here as well. March 29th, afternoon Path Chat, covering the futures markets and only covering one future, the crude oil. Crude had a pretty big move, just under 2%. Oh, right around 2%. I don't want to be quoted on that and be wrong by a couple of decimal places. Anyway, majority of it had to do with the EIA, Energy Information Administration's release of crude and distillate stockpiles, which matched the API from last night, the American Petroleum Institute. We had a smaller than expected build in crude oil. We did have a build. Crude oil inventories rose by 900,000 barrels. It's now at 534 million barrels, which is right around 32 million barrels, 32.5 million barrels, more than this time last year. But the big thing again, a drop of 3.7 million barrels in the gasoline supplies. That is now 3 weeks in a row of multi-million barrel drops in the gasoline supplies. You guys are sick of hearing me say this, but 2.2 barrels of oil to make 1 barrel of gasoline. That will eventually come out of the stockpiles. It may not come out in a rush. You may not get $7-12 million declines in the crude stockpiles, but it will start to slowly trickle out of there. And behind this backdrop, you can easily see OPEC extending their cuts, knowing that gasoline supplies are starting to wane and the summer driving season is almost upon us. So there's definitely some fundamental idea behind a move back up to sort of the bottom of that range. But let Mike explain to you what he's seeing on the charts, and have a great day. I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Mike, it's all yours.
Okay, great. Thanks, Bob. So we actually have a trend line long trade triggered tonight. It is a lower probability long trade. We closed right on the 21 period exponential moving average, and we closed below a critical level of 49.71. Today's close was 49.51. So we closed, so this is a slightly lower probability. However, it is still a trigger trade. The stop reduction level is 50.41 and the full target is 50.74 on this, a prior breakdown zone. If it pulls back this evening, it will give an opportunity to enter it at a good risk reward, so keep that in mind. And then the stop would be below 48.71 right down here in this area. That's all we have for you right now. So we're looking for, based off this trend line trade, a rally to 50.41 and then 50.74. I'm going to turn it back over to you, Bob.
Thank you, Michael. Keep an eye on that, and we will talk to you guys in the next Path Chat, which will be sometime tomorrow morning. Cheers, everyone. Thanks for watching.